Friday. I have so many errands to run for this party tomorrow that I'm throwing. Like a little belated birthday party since my birthday was on Monday. I figured we would throw like just like a little dinner party this Saturday since I didn't really celebrate like my birthday with any of my friends. Just fell on a weird day. So tomorrow I'm hosting a little dinner party. I want to go get like flowers. I need to stop and get wine. I need to get fruits, vases, platters, like so many different things. Right now we're gonna stop at a flower shop that I came to. It's in West Hollywood, kind of right near Laurel Hardware, and they basically have like wholesale flowers. So I'm hoping I can find some like good stuff. I already have a vibe and theme that I have in my head, so I'm hoping I can execute it with the flowers that they have. Fingers crossed. Made myself a little protein shake because once I came home this morning, I went to cycle and then I went and got my nails done. Kind of went for like a pale purple, like lavender. It's really pale though, and I honestly really like it. I didn't want it to be like too opaque, so this feels really nice. Spring forward. I went home, showered really quickly, got ready. I'm literally wearing the same outfit as yesterday because I'm like, it was cute and it didn't get enough use. So I'm wearing it again, outfit repeating. I didn't want to like sit down and eat lunch, so I just made myself a little protein shake, and then we're gonna go to the flower shop. I'm at Target now, looking at a bunch of platters and things. I'm trying to map out like what exactly we all need because some of the silverware that I have, you can't necessarily like put food on it. So I'm trying to look at the menu that we're gonna order because we're catering food and then see like what platters I need. So basically, this is what I have in the cart so far. I got some of these the other day and I want to get some more because I got grapes. This I figure we can do for like egg rolls or something nice and long. This we're doing a like soupy thing, so I figure a bowl would be nice for that. Have something big for like orange chicken maybe, and then getting some of these platters as well, just like to have some variation. And then I saw this little Stanley cup. I love the yellow for spring and summer, so I think I'm gonna get that. Also looking over here and seeing if there's anything that I need. We don't have a cake stand, but the thing with cake stands is like you need to figure out somewhere to store it after, and I don't necessarily want to like have this thing that I don't really use that often, so I don't know what we're gonna do about that. And then the other thing is I don't want to get a size that is too small for the cake. I'm not getting the cake, Tyler's getting the cake. So I don't really know what size cake stand to get, so. I'm looking over here also at the silverware. The thing is, I'm trying to wait on like buying things like this because we do have some stuff on our registry, but these are really nice. This little flatware set. I love the handle on it. That's really nice. Can never go wrong with like classic silver. I do like a little bit of like intricacy on my silverware though. Like if it's going to be silver, it has to be super shiny, something interesting to look at. But now that I'm over here, I'm realizing that it would be really nice to actually have some serving spoons and stuff, which we don't have. So I think maybe we'll get like something like this. I don't know. These look really cheap though. This is the only thing. And I don't really feel like going to CB2 or something like that. It's just like such a hassle. The only other thing is like this set comes with the serving utensils as well, but I don't want to have to buy the whole set just to get it. I wish they sold them separately. This is actually really cool too, these chopsticks. It's kind of a vibe. I think I might have to get those because we are doing Asian food, so that would actually be amazing and it would go really well with the theme. So I think I'm gonna grab those. Probably need 2 sets. Really great for dinner parties. I probably will have like other sushi parties as well, so I think these will definitely be put to use. Okay, I just saw this serving utensil set, which would actually be really nice. This feels a little bit heavier too. It's only $10, whereas this one is $5 and it just looks cheap and like feels a little cheap. So I think we're gonna do these ones. We definitely need these. I'm back home now and I am trying to do some setup prep just to make my life a little bit easier tomorrow. I'm not having people come over until 5, so I basically have all day. But I want to be able to like clean and do all that stuff, run last minute errands that I need to do. What I'm doing right now is setting up the table with all of the serving platters, and I'm going to give you guys like a little tip slash hack when it comes to hosting. So what I did is I basically laid out all of my silverware that I already had, and then plus all of like the new platters that I just got from Target. I'm laying it all out on this table. Now typically when I have people over, we sit at this table, but I'm gonna rent a like longer table that we can all sit at, table and chairs, and this will kind of be the table for everyone to get their food. So I laid out all of the platters. I tried to alternate it when it came to silver, ceramic, black, just kind of like switch it up so it feels like nice and cohesive and balanced. And what I did is I put little sticky notes on each serving platter just so you know exactly what is going to go in what. I think this is really helpful to know like the platter that you have and what dish is going to be served on it. That way you can kind of, you know, arrange the table how you want it and then know exactly what is going to go in. Like something soupy is going to need a bowl. And so forth. So I basically put little sticky notes on each little platter. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. But we have white rice, walnut shrimp. And then what I'm going to do is I ordered some little like food card stands from Amazon, and I'm going to have it in front of each dish so that people know what it is. I have some friends that also have allergies, like a nut allergy. So I'm just making sure that I put like this has nuts on it, just little things like that. Make it super simple for people to know exactly what is what. I am going to be using these, I think, for the actual table. I think so those won't go there. And then what I have here, I have the menu. So I was gonna print this out. I'm still debating if I should or not. I don't know. It just feels like a lot of work. If I already have like the place cards, I feel like there's no need for a separate menu. Like people would just go in front of each dish and see what is what. But I am going to write everything down on a little piece of paper with all of the details. So we have like egg rolls. This has cabbage, onions, and carrots. This is mostly, again, just for people who have allergies. I have some friends that are also like pescatarian so that they know like, okay, this is chicken, so on and so forth. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Just prep a little bit so that I don't have to do this tomorrow. How cute are these little chopstick rests? My friend Tanya and Sammy got these for me and Tyler when they went to Japan because they know how much we love, obviously, sushi and little dachshund. It's so cute. It's like bow. So I have those there. I have the chopsticks, which actually work out perfectly. And we only have 6 of these. So I think we're just going to let our friends use them. And then we'll just use our plates or whatever. But yeah, I'm so excited with how everything is looking so far. I don't know about this floral arrangement. I had to take some of the flowers out because they started dying, but it is nice to have something big and structural. So I don't know if I will leave that there. I just might. It just doesn't go with my color palette that I have, like the more darker colors, but we'll see. I also have some like little serving platters that have no use for now, but we will figure it out. All of the alcohol that I just bought, we need to go get some more red wine in the ice bucket. And then I also have this bucket for champagne, which I love. This is like a little vintage champagne bucket, so we will use this as well. Put that there for now so it's nice and organized. These don't need to be refrigerated until tomorrow, so I'll do that tomorrow morning. So I have this paper that I bought from Target. I'm just going to cut it up and write everything down. I also got some figs to cut up and just display. I feel like it goes with the color palette. I got 2 packs of those. And then here is the Stanley. Why didn't no one tell me that the Stanley scratches so easily? I'm like, that's really annoying, but I love the color. The yellow is such a vibe. Okay, I'm going to take it and get to work a little bit. I have been cleaning and just like fixing up the house all morning. Just got back from picking up these rental tables. So I got an 8-foot table, and then I got 10 chairs just from like this rental company that is pretty affordable. So I will bring those back tomorrow. Now I was thinking, he was just falling asleep like that. It was so cute. I was thinking that the table's probably gonna go here. So we're probably gonna move this coffee table and just have the table long that way. Tyler is out for a run right now. I wanted his help in moving this so that I can figure out if the linens that I have will work, because if they're not gonna work, then I need to figure out a plan B or like go to Home Goods really quick. So I'm gonna see if I can just like move this out of the way, and then this will probably go in my office for just the night. And then everyone will just sit here and it'll just be like nice and communal. So I'm gonna try to do that right now.